Colleague Abhishek, who's joining us on the broadcast. Abhishek, there has been a big political showdown, and look at the restrictions that have been put in place as well. A lot of police deployment, their leaves being cancelled, CCTV, all the Shobha Yatras being videographed as well. This has led to the BJP accusing the Mamata Banerjee government of bringing in an atmosphere of fear around the Hindu festival of Ram Navami. What is it that you're seeing at this spot?
Well, absolutely. Ram Navami is being celebrated in Kolkata. There are several rallies, there are several yatras which are being organized by several Hindu organizations. Right now, I'm standing at Jadavpur University, and here also you can see that the puja is going on. The aarti has been performed, and now the havan will be performed in some time. And you can see the idol of Lord Ram. They have put it over here, and then they are worshipping it. कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. पहली बार आप लोग यहाँ पे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं राम नवमी. जादवपुर का अपना एक हिस्ट्री रहा है, एक इतिहास रहा है. कैसे देख रहे हैं आप?
असल में बात यह है कि आप जानते हैं आज हमारे सारे के सारे नेशनल स्टूडेंट मिलकर यहाँ पे भगवान रामचंद्र के यहाँ पे जो भव्य पूजा अभी हो रहा है, अभी होम चल रहा है, हवन चल रहा है. तो बेसिकली हवन होने के बाद हम प्रसाद वितरण करेंगे और फिर बाहर एक 4 बजे के बाद यहाँ से भगवान को उठाएंगे और उन्हें एक अलग से स्थान पर रखेंगे, क्योंकि यहाँ में तो कल से फिर से क्लास शुरू होने वाला है. तो बेसिकली आज तो नवमी का तिथि भी है, तो विसर्जन तो नहीं कर सकते. तो अभी भी यहाँ पे जो हुआ आज ये एक हिस्टोरिक मोमेंट है. आज जादवपुर यूनिवर्सिटी के 75 सालों के इतिहास में ये पहली बार हुआ कि जब यहाँ पे रामनवमी मनाया गया, और ये भगवान की इच्छा है कि वो स्वयं यहाँ पे प्रकट हुए हैं, क्योंकि 22 जनवरी को 2024 को भगवान का पूजा यहाँ पे होने नहीं दिया गया था वामपंथियों के द्वारा. आज भगवान ने उनको ही विवश कर दिया और वो रोक भी नहीं पाए. आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे भव्य पूजा हो रहा है.
See, this is the first time in Jadavpur history that Ram Navami is being performed, in particular in Jadavpur University, and the students are very happy, especially the right-wing students are very happy, and you can see over here also that the students are performing puja. आप लोग यहाँ पे टीका लगा रहे हैं जादवपुर यूनिवर्सिटी में, पहली बार इस तरीके से पूजा की जा रही है. कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
मेरे को तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. पहली बार मैं सेकंड ईयर में अगर पहली बार मन रहा तो बहुत अच्छा है.
इससे पहले यहाँ पे इस तरीके से रामनवमी मनाई गई है पहले?
मुझे नहीं पता, मैं नहीं मनाया गया. पहली बार. हाँ,
पहली बार आप लोग मना रहे हैं. आप लोगों को कैसा लग रहा है यहाँ पे पहुँच के?
अच्छा लग रहा है. हम लोग तो फ्रेशर से फर्स्ट टाइम एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हैं. अच्छा लग रहा है.
अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पे. See, the students are very excited. They are saying this is the first time when Ram Navami is being celebrated, because last time also you remember when there were... Yes.
Okay, all right. So why shouldn't festivities be allowed? The students say that they're happy about it. They were initially denied permission as well, but they said that the celebrations will go on. And coming back to the political showdown that we saw in West Bengal, with the BJP saying that there is an atmosphere of fear that the TMC is trying to create in Jadavpur University in particular as well. The ABVP and RSS affiliated students who wanted to celebrate Ram Navami were denied permission.
Well, you see, this is not the first time when they have been denied permission to celebrate Ram Navami. Last year also, they were given permission, but just a day before, they were denied, and they were not happy. The students were not happy. This time also, they were denied to celebrate Ram Navami because the ground which was given is that VC is not present over here, and this is why the permission can't be given to celebrate Ram Navami. Now, the students were asking the question that when iftar party can be celebrated, iftar party can be done in the university campus, then why not Ram Navami will be celebrated in university campus? So these were the questions that students were asking, and now you can see that the Ram Navami is being celebrated with full enthusiasm.
By the fact that they were not given permission, they said that celebrations will continue. When it's given for the other festivals, why not for Ram Navami as well? Thank you for joining us with those details, Abhishek. With that, let's